This is a quick video on how to make sweet potato fries. So first of all, you need to have a washed sweet potato. Make sure that you wash it before you do anything else with it. And then once you have it washed, what you're going to do is you're going to want to peel it. Okay, so once you have it peeled, like so, I like to cut it this way, which allows you to have a bunch of discs. And do it so that they're about a 1/4 inch thick each. Okay, now that I have the discs cut like so, you're going to cut them this way again, so that they're, again, about a 1/4 inch thick that way also. Okay, so right now what you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Okay, so first you're going to put it in for 10 minutes at 425. Okay, 10 minutes have passed, and we're just going to salt them a tiny bit. And this time we're going to put them in for 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 extra minutes at 425, they are now ready to eat. I highly recommend that you eat them with some sort of chipotle sauce, like chipotle ranch, or you can get spicy ranch, and those are very good options. I've heard of people putting them in ketchup, but I personally don't like that. But anyways, that's how you make sweet potato fries. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video, or leave your comments below. And make sure to participate in the polls that I put on my videos. And I hope that you enjoyed this. Follow me on Instagram also. And I hope that you have a good day.